Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Bow Trail, southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're taking a brief look at this beautiful brand new 2019 GMC Terrain Denali, powered by the 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission, as well as this 5-passenger SUV is all-wheel drive. Once inside the interior of the Denali Terrain, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, memory seating. We do have our power trunk right down here and our fog light automatic headlight assembly. We do have our heated leather-wrapped steering wheel for forward collision warning and cruise control on there. 104 kilometers on the odometer of this vehicle. Push-button ignition. We do have the 8-inch touchscreen, nav, audio, climate control, as well as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We got our physical buttons for our climate control here. Then our push buttons for our drivetrain selection. We do have our heated and ventilated seats, as well as our 4x4 dial there. Parking sensors, front and rear. Jet black leather interior as well. Denali stitched into the headrests. Beautiful leather seats. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Terrain Denali, we do have the 19-inch wheel and tire package there. Hankook all-season tires. We do have keyless entry, remote start, blind spot detection, dual chrome exhaust tips at the rear, as well as the trailer hitch hidden underneath that rear bumper. We have the hands-free lift tailgate, LED headlights, and LED tail lamps. Looking at the interior again here, our second row leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are heated as well as car seat ready. We do have the easy access fold-down seats, making it nice and flat to our trunk area. You can see we have the heated seat buttons, dual USB ports, and the 120-volt outlet down there as well. Moon and sunroof over top of the vehicle, opening it up as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video of this beautiful 2019 GMC Terrain Denali. If this is your next all-wheel drive 5-passenger GMC product, come down and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.